Hi, my name is Sandy Nypaver, and I teach statistics at Mount Aloysius. And I'm here to give you a quick little statistics lesson. Now, in my class, I'm not necessarily trying to make anybody a statistician, but I am hoping to teach you to be better consumers of information. So today I'm just going to talk about pie charts, something we've all seen before, but what are some of the things, the do's and don'ts that we should think about? First, a pie chart is meant to show what part out of the whole choose some item or have some opinion. So the choices should add up to 100%. I might have surveyed my class and asked them what's their favorite beverage to drink in the morning for breakfast. And if I had done that, the pie chart that I might get could look like this one. Very nice pie chart, very easy to see that the most common choice students made was coffee. So this would be very good. Now, something that we would not want to do is to tilt that and turn it into a 3D pie chart. However, this does sometimes happen. So instead, you might have got a chart that looks like this. The problem now is that it's difficult to see what's the most common choice based on just the picture. Our piece of pie for coffee now looks much smaller, at least a little bit smaller, than this one for the juice. But if I compare the percents, 20% versus 34%, I still know that coffee is the most common. The picture, though, should give me that same impression, especially if someone didn't bother to show the percents on the pie chart. So those are some of the things that we would talk about. The other, like I said, you should be better consumers of information. Unfortunately, the news sometimes gets this wrong. So one of the pie charts that I've seen recently is this one. And clearly, the pieces of pie in this one do not add up to 100%. So this would not be a very appropriate pie chart to display. I suspect that people were given the option of selecting more than one choice. But if that's the case, if the survey question was written like that, then a pie chart is not the correct choice for displaying that data. So hopefully I'll see some of you come to the Mount and sit in my statistics class.